Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to try something different with iOS 18RC. Here we have an iPhone 12 mini with all genuine parts. We're going to remove its motherboard and put it in another iCloud phone. And let's see what happens. Here we have another iCloud locked phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap the motherboard into the iCloud phone. And let's see. We're going to remove the motherboard. Now let's plug in the motherboard into iCloud phone. We're going to head to General, About, Parts and Services. It says Finish and Repair. Repair Assistant pops up. We will hit Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions. It says Configuring. All parts are repaired except Face ID. Configuring Face ID didn't work, so we will try it one more time. We will head to Settings again. General, About, then Parts and Service History. Face ID message appears. We will click Restart and finish repair. We are at Repair Assistant again. Agree to the terms and conditions. It still says Unable to configure Face ID. We will hit Restart iPhone. iPhone has been restarted. Let's see if the Face ID message still appears. We will head to Settings. General, About, then Parts and Services. Face ID message still appears. That means all parts can be serialized except Face ID and new iOS 18RC.